Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed last week balcony makeover video. Today I am excited to style another cozy corner of balcony. Let's dive in. Cowbell as a decor piece brings a vintage vibe to balcony. Another decor piece, an old couple leading together enhance the cozy vibe of balcony. This rustic wall shelf, handmade by me, adds a warm vintage vibe to balcony, which is styled with wooden vase, a miniature Buddha set, and a windmill. Another old couple playing a board game, adding a warmth and cozy charm to balcony. Ceramic planters marked since 1858 or 1838, adding timeless cottage charm to balcony. A bird's succulent planter and a lighthouse tea light holder bring rustic glow to balcony. This is how I decorated this section of balcony with a mix of DIY and decor pieces. I hope you will love the cozy vibe as much as I enjoyed creating it. When I was writing since 1838 or 1858, I could not help but laugh at myself. It felt funny but added a rustic touch to decor. Each product I choose adds its own charm, from rustic shelf and ceramic planters marked 1838 or 58 to cozy couple fingerings, bird planters, and a lighthouse tea light holder. Together they create warm, inviting vibe that makes a balcony feel like a little cottage retreat. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.